previous section, you have seen that we have already installed the app, and we have basically JIT, we have given the project name, and we have npx create react app Avantika example APG2. We have created the project, and in the Visual Studio Code we have uploaded the project. So for Control C, we can stop the terminal. To open the terminal, we can use npm start. As you can see that again we have started the terminal. So now the terminal is started. It will be starting as it was showing previously. So basically, if we see that in our module, if you will see that in the src we get the app.cs and app.js. So basically test.js we don't need it, and basically we will be needing that app.js. So if we see the app.js part, so from basically from the image part to header part, we didn't need it. So we will remove the stuff, and with respect to this header part, it will we will see that here we will be having. So after return this div class name app will we will retain it, and this all other stuffs with the header app header, we can basically ignore it. So we can also delete this. So with respect to css part of the app.css, we will remove all the content, and so that we can have our own content now. So if you want to have anything here with respect to with respect to that hello world type of thing, if you want to hear, so you can have this by this function, and here you can have this return function, and here you can simply type h1 and have hello word. So like this, if you do this, so in this here you will see hello world here. So basically this is only a demo type I was showing you. So before we do all this stuff, so we have this we make one component basically. So here we will create one component in the src. So here we will make a component, and in this component we will be having one toolbox basically. So we will have the toolbox component. So we will say like toolbox, and here under toolbox we will make one file toolbox .js. So basically this is our JS file. So if we see this toolbox.js, so this file we will make it just like we will firstly have the import React from React. After having this, we will have the const file, and we will name as this is toolbox. So this is toolbox, and this toolbox have the props there. So this props is basically will direct to the other functions which will be in this props. We can direct it. So we will try to make the particularly uh, some content with respect to some site. uh, we will take the nav button. So basically, uh, uh, firstly we will take the logo, that how we'll be pursuing logo. So we will have this logo div, we will place, and here we will place the class name, and here class name we will give this toolbox. Basically, here we can have this toolbox logo. So we can mention as toolbox logo, and in this toolbox logo we will be giving image src, and we will be basically we will be having a logo. So when we want to have the logo, so we have to require that logo. So we have to require that logo. So uh, we will state just like require. So yeah, before this require, we have to have the curly braces, so that in this curly braces we can have this. So require, we will have it, and in this require we will have this uh, uh, we will get one logo here. So basically here we find that any logo is there. So there is one logo, we are finding it out. So we will put this logo in the basically in the component. Now this logo is there. So uh, now closing this, we will mention it that this is with respect to component. So yeah, in this logo we will have this logo.png. So uh, we will have this logo png. Now after having this logo.png file, so we will have this with respect to div. So we have taken it, and after taking this file, yeah, we have just moved the containing part, so that we can close the image part. And now we have requested the logo, so that logo will be there now. So after doing this, we will basically um, have now the logo. So with if we want to put a name also there, so either we can put the name here. So but that is not good enough. So we take the alt, and we place one name, just like Avantika. So that is fair enough. I'm giving you the idea how we can have this. So after giving this particularly name, we will have the other contents too in that. So here meanwhile firstly we want to see that all things are right enough, so we will write export default, and we will have this toolbox. So, okay, so we have this toolbox now. So to see this basically toolbox, whatever we the logo we have written. So we will be having one toolbox dot css also. So we will in the next we will see that how we will create a small css for this.